What's up, everybody? Just out here with the chickens, and um, my favorite chickens are the Orpingtons, and there's a few different varieties, flavors, if you will, of the Orpingtons, and the lavenders have always been my favorite, and we've got a few of those. But this chocolate Orpington, look how pretty she is. There's the two we have, but look at her. I mean, she is gorgeous. The one thing I like about them is how fluffy and kind of big they are, but she's a pretty girl.